Why does helium make our voices sound high-pitched? Welcome to In Case You Were Wondering. You inhale helium, say something silly, and suddenly you sound like a cartoon chipmunk. But why? Here's the simple science. Your voice is made by vibrating vocal cords, but how it sounds depends on how the air carries those vibrations. Helium is much lighter than the air we normally breathe. That means sound waves travel through it much faster. Faster sound waves boost the higher frequencies in your voice. The result? You sound squeaky and high-pitched. Not because your vocal cords changed, but because helium changes the speed and tone of the sound. It's a weird audio illusion, and a great party trick. But don't overdo it. Too much helium means less oxygen. For more fast science, follow In Case You Were Wondering.